My heart is overflowing with the good things. I recite my composition concerning the key. My tongue is like a pen ready writer. Junior, we're gonna light up this Christmas, y'all, because Jesus is our warrior in this place, y'all. Throw your hands up in the air. Said the Lord is my shepherd from my enemy. I will not fear what they can do to me. In the struggle of my strength, we'll raise a banner high until we break the ground. With spiritual armor, but the weapons of this warfare are far from carnal, but mighty in God for tearing down strongholds. Say the Lord is a warrior. He'll fight with all of his might. The enemy is fighting, destroy and tries. I shout a victory over his enemies, and he'll go forth. The Lord is a man of war. His light will shine the darkness from night. Let's try and try. My God, when you came up before your people, was through the wilderness, the earth should be locked with heaven strapped out. Your presence drop rain for 1,000 years is still the same. So when the enemy comes out there with tactics of fear and faith, like the Lord crack the sky and then get it for its rain. When my enemy could be made a footstool before the king, one by one they fall as enemy armies marches. Sing the Lord is the warrior. He'll fight with all of his might. The enemy's fighting, let's try and try. I shout a victory over his enemies, and he'll go for the Lord is a man of war. In light will shut the darkness from light. Let's try and try. So you check it out. What did I say? Set the question up, this is the answer. This is the truth and a liar. With all of my heart and all of my soul, my love is so true. Nothing, 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 love over you. That's why you understand upon me say, because I love you whether night or whether day. I'm trust you, I trust you, cause I love you, I love you. I'm never gonna let you go. See you right now. Let's up here. Yeah. Fighting, let's try and try. I shout the victory over his enemies, and no one but Lord is a man of war. His light will shine dark tonight. Let's try and try.